my friends, welcome to my channel, and today we'll talk about trees. Why are trees important?
Why do we need trees?
Well, because the trees are vital. As the biggest plants on the planet, they give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter.
Really?
The importance of trees.
Trees are also invaluable important to the environment and to the human's well-being. They give us clean water to drink, air to breathe, shade and food to humans, animals and plants. They provide habitats for the numerous species of fauna and flora, firewood for cooking and heat, materials for buildings, and places of spiritual, cultural and recreational importance. Trees are so important for the global environment.
Trees are so important for the global environment and the health of the species that live there, and they need our unconditional care and protection. Why are trees important to the environment?
Forests also provide jobs for over 1,600,000,000 people, absorb harmful carbon from the atmosphere, and are key ingredients in 25% of all medicines. Have you ever taken aspirin? It comes from the bark of a tree.
Guys, now we know everything about trees. It was very fun. Now remember to put thumbs up, notification bell and subscribe. And bye, and stay tuned for the next video.